Eric, I remember the day I chose to be with you. I knew I didn't want to spend a day without you. And now I walk this aisle with you to spend our days and years together, regardless of the circumstances or weather. We stand as a family, the start of a new season. All this time on earth to love, for there is no other reason. As we become Mr. and Mrs. Evans, I ask that God's love guide our way.
Since day one of talking to you, I could see a future with you. As we got to know one another, things became much brighter. Your smile that lights up any room. You have given my life a better purpose and more life. I couldn't imagine my world without you and what you've added to it. I love you dearly. I am very excited about the future God has in store for us. Jada, I am in love with you and I love you.
He bought me the second band I wanted. Let's celebrate. You're my forever love. Waiting to light this moment with you. Together, let's set a big fire under your light. I love you deeply, Mr. Evans.
Oh Lord, sorry. Let me walk out of here. Thank you very much.
There wasn't enough letters to do it, so some people's is first names, some is middle initials, some is last names. Because the girls also have those as well. Monopoly is one game that we, even as kids, play.
He's out. Sean got too much going on. That's my man. Congratulations, brother.
And I want to say, Eric, congratulations. I mean, it's been a long time coming, brother. And, you know, I'm happy for you. I'm excited to see what God has planned for you and your wife and your kids. And I really believe that y'all going to go far. And I believe that, you know, the friendship that we have is going to continue to grow. And, you know, I'm happy. Oh, that was a tear. I'm happy that this moment has finally come. Congratulations.
Oh, shit. This wasn't supposed to happen, y'all. Burn. I'm going to run toward my Woo! I'm glad I didn't make that bet with her.
Jay-Z and Beyonce tickets.
Eric, will you have this woman to be your wife, to live together in the holy covenant of marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor and keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
I will.
Jada, will you have this man to be your husband, to live together in the holy covenant of marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? I, Eric,
Eric,
take you, Jada, to be my wedded wife,
and
I pledge that I will be faithful,
I pledge I will be faithful,
and that I will love and serve you, as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
I, Jada,
take you, Eric,
to be my wedded husband,
and
I pledge that I will be faithful,
I pledge that I will be faithful,
and that I will love and serve you,
and that I will love and serve you,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
Eric, you may kiss the bride. Mr. and Mrs. Evans.
And I just want to say that with this storm today, it was meant to be. Like the heavens above were crying down on us because today was meant to be.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Because if he gave me a late fee on rent, you can believe me that he gonna get that woman the world, you know? So, you know, I say all this to say, Eric, thank you for being a wonderful friend and a brother.
I pray that you continue to seek the things that makes you happy. And what I mean by that is that you continue to seek what makes Jada happy and laugh and makes her smile. A happy wife, a happy life.